How's it going? So I'm really digging this thing here. Basically, when you're using Angular and Forms ng model, right? So it doesn't. First of all, it doesn't work without the ng model, right? So if you're trying to use it without this code, ng model input, it does not work. All right. Actually, I need to make a note. 1 second. Yeah. So basically, yeah, this is how it works. Okay, now you can think about them as invisible classes that once you add the ng model, they are already inside, right? You don't need to kind of specify them. They are kind of invisible, but they are there. So I'll show you how they work, right? So we know we can read on this stuff in here. So the first one is valid or invalid. All right. So if you don't type anything, it's let's put red. Okay. So if it's false, it's red. Red. All right. Let's just do this. Okay. So you see this one, if it's empty, it is true, and this one is false. Once you start typing, this one becomes true, and this one becomes false. So you see, you can style very easily. You see, so it's empty. All right, it's empty. You start typing, boom, it's green. You remove, it's red. All right. So this is valid, invalid. All right. Now we have dirty, pristine. So what by default, if you don't touch it, it's going to be whatever light, right? Light gray. Once you touch it and start, if you change value, that's it. It's stuck. It sticks, right? Do you see? Once you change the value, it changes. So now we can say it's dirty, right? So this is like a untouched. Well, this is like did the value. So if the value did not change, so the value is default, it will be this color here. I put it as light. But once you change the value, and even if you go back to default value, it still sticks. Does that make sense? Right? And the final one is touched and untouched. So this one is very simple. It basically it controls did you click into it or you did not click into it, right? So look, if you click and unclick, it changes, right? So touch refers to did you click it basically, right? If you click and unclick, you have touched it, all right? So let's type something, tab, all right? So as soon as you touch it, it changes. All right. So this is like, did you touch it with your mouse or you did not? This one is, did you change the value or you didn't? And this one is the value valid or it's not valid? I don't know yet how to control valid or invalid because I'm pretty sure there is a rule that specify what it means to be valid and what it means to be invalid, right? But I mean, it's pretty cool. So yeah. I think if it's like email or not email, this will kick in. But I mean, I have to say, I'm digging because you can style it so quickly. It's really cool. All right, take care.